Ladies and gentlemen, in this video today, we're going to go through Google Ads in less than 10 minutes. Is this possible? Look, if you're a beginner and you're trying to get started, you're trying to make some money, whether you're doing a Shopify store, promoting your business, or whatever the heck it is, you need to watch this video all the way to the end. I got some goodies for you. If you watch all the way to the end, holla at your boy. What's going on, guys? Antonio X Carter here, Emancipation Occupation, here to help you relieve yourself from the 9-to-5 hustle, kick it to the curb by teaching you tips, tricks, methods, all things making money online. All right. And so today I'm going to be showing you Google Ads. I'm going to be taking you through how to create a campaign really fast, some things that you need to know so that you can be successful on your first one, not your 10th one. So I'm on a time limit. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. So you're looking at my screen, and as you're looking at my screen, please go ahead and look at your screen and smash that subscribe button if this is the type of content that you like or you want me to make more content. First thing that we're going to do is hit create. Then we're going to hit campaign. We're creating a new campaign for your Google Ads. Again, this is for anything, any business. I'm an affiliate marketing coach. I run ads and stuff with paid marketing all day. So you have a list of all of these different objectives. Don't worry about that. This is your first campaign. Boom. We're going to, by the way, I clicked create a campaign without a goals guidance. And then because we want to run Google Ads, we want to do what's called a search campaign. Oh, we click that. And very quickly, you have all these other different options. You can run YouTube ads, you can create image ads and all that. You can do so many different things with targeting ads. We're not going to worry about that in this video. So now, this is how you know this is an updated video, because everybody else's old videos does not show this. So you are required to create what's called a conversion goal. All right. I have another video. You can watch that. The link for that is down below in the description or above in on this screen. And so right now we're just going to do page views because we're not trying to sell anything at the moment. We just want to optimize for clicks, which is going to be in the next screen, because this is our first campaign. We just need to get used to sending traffic to our pages and learning how it works. So don't worry about selecting any of these results here. And then we're going to name this, I'm just going to say campaign uno. Okay. Again, I know I sound like I'm repeating myself. This is our first campaign. We don't want conversions. We're just going to do clicks. We're simply driving clicks. You have the option to set a maximum amount per click bid. We're not going to do that right here at this second. So we're going to hit next. And this is the way that Google loves to make money off of you. It asks you what networks you want to work with, and we are going to choose networks, and we are going to deselect all of these. Why are we doing that? Because if you choose a network, Google has an expansive reach. They can access things like yahoo.com or DuckDuckGo, like all those types of weird search engines. And so your ads will not only appear on Google, but also these other third-party search engines. We don't need to do that right now because we just simply want Google traffic. So now, of course, Google is going to say, hey, you're making a mistake. What are you doing? And you're like, no, I'm not. Then you have the opportunity to select where you want to advertise. This is huge because you don't want to advertise anywhere and everywhere. You can enter a location. You can select a state, a country, a zip code, whatever the case may be. And then I'm going to select the United States because that's where I live. And this right here is going to save you a buttload of money. Okay. If you don't learn anything in this whole video, this is the part you need to understand. You're going to select presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations, because you don't want people to be talking about a specific area or showing interest in an area. You know, they be looking at something for vacation or buying something, but rather I want somebody who lives in the area when I am running ads. And then of course, we're speaking English. So I need English speakers for this particular one. Audience segments, you don't have to worry about that. This is huge when it comes to YouTube ads. If I click more settings, I can come down. I can change the rotation of my ads to make sure traffic is distributed evenly between my keywords. That probably just sounded confusing. Do not worry about it. Hit next. Everything's gonna be default. And then you now have the opportunity to create your keywords in your ads in your ad groups. How are we going to do that? Number of different things. You can enter a website and Google will go on that website and pull keywords. Or you could do keyword research yourself, right? So let's just go ahead and I have a photo booth business. So we're going to do photo booth. Let's see if anything comes up. Get keyword suggestions, and Google is going to do a search, and if it does, it's going to drop some keywords down at the bottom, which it did. And what happens is when people go on Google and they use any of these searches, any of these keywords, your ad will pop up in the results. However, this is a short video. We are not going to go through everything. I'm only going to pick a few keywords. Oops, looks like I erased them all. Apologies. I'm just going to type photo booth service. And I'm going to put brackets around photo booth service. Remember, I'm trying to help you be successful on your first campaign. And then we are also going to do the same thing with quotations. Why are we doing this? Because the brackets mean that the exact word for somebody to type in Google for our ad to show up is photo booth service, nothing else. If they type in photo booth service and our keyword pops up with the quotations, then they can be saying photo booth services near Atlanta, Georgia, and my ad will pop up because it's a phrase. If you're looking for more clarification on that, I also created a full explanation of going through the whole process. You see me going from A to Z, really in depth when it comes to Google Ads. The video is also in the description and also on this video. I'll have it pop up here. So now we come to the ad creation. Now let's just imagine that we are running traffic over to my website. I do have a photo booth website, but I don't want to put it in here. So I'm just going to put my personal website. And we're going to imagine that my personal website is my photo booth website. Okay, why is it giving me this? I do have an HTTPS. Ha, how about that? Okay, display path, if you want to put traffic at if you want it to show a specific URL or something, let's just say I want to say photo booth. So if you look here in the upper right hand corner, it changed antonioxcarter.com/photo booth. Now we have the opportunity to create headlines. You have the opportunity to create up to 15 of them. Okay, I recommend that you do as many as possible. If you can do 15, that's awesome. If not, that's fine as well, but you want to do at least 3 to 5. So here I'm going to say wedding photo booth. I have a limited amount of characters. I have up to 30 characters. Birthday party. Photo booth. And of course, the 360 photo booth. That is extremely hot right now. And what will happen is Google will well, not evenly, but it will rotate to see what is getting the most clicks with the headline, and I can see the results. And then here you want to put in a description of your business. services and products. And you have 90 characters here. Here, you also can do the same thing, but I would say something like watch this free 15-minute video or free product, right? Because the whole intent and the purpose is to get somebody to click that sees our ad when they search on something specific. So why not make their mouth water about a free video or something of that manner? Now, you can create up to 4 descriptions. Again, I would highly recommend that you do all 4 of them. And if we scroll up, you can see on the right hand side, it's rotating different options of the headlines and our descriptions as an example. That's how it's going to look on your phones and on your computer. We can add images, which I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not going to do business and logo. It's not necessary. Site links, I highly recommend that you do site links. I'm not going to go in depth in this. Again, you can watch the full video on that. Link will be provided either in the description or on the video. But site links, the more space that you take up within Google ad, the more chances that you can get a higher quality score, which means Google will show your ad to more people for a cheaper click rate. And you can do call outs, the same thing. Call outs and site links is just more things telling people about your business within the ad. So if we come back, now our ad has gotten more space for the same amount of money. You want to utilize everything that Google is giving to you if you're going to pay for it. All right. So if somebody comes up, they see 360 photo booth, we can click wedding package and a party package. And so now, let's see. You have the opportunity to track with other things, but you're not going to do that at the moment. We're going to go ahead and hit done. And there, right there, is one ad. Now, I recommend that you create 3 ads for every ad group. We didn't name our ad group. Let's go ahead and name the ad group. I don't know. We'll just say types of photo booths. And so I recommend doing at least 3 ad groups with at least 5 keywords in each ad group. That will give you a total of 15 keywords minimum, because within each ad group and the keywords, we can customize our ads to see what is working best. You want to give Google all types of variety, and then this is how the experts do it so that they find that winning campaign. We're just going to skip this. Let's see. Now we have the chance to pick our budget. We're going to set a custom budget. This is totally up to you. If you can spend at least $5 a day for your budget and just to get things going with the clicks, that's phenomenal. If you can spend up to $10 to $15 a day, that's great. If you can spend $25 a day on your budget, you will get all types of data, let me tell you, and it will be phenomenal. Okay, so now we hit next. It's going to give me kind of a breakdown of everything, but then you would hit publish. It's giving me errors right now, but don't worry about that, because when you're actually doing it, those errors won't show up. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works. Please drop it down in the comments below. I hope this was a really good walkthrough for you. I think I was under 10 minutes. I'm just over 10 minutes, but go through that. Let me know how it's working for you. This was very easy, very simple. I tried to speak nice and slow for you. I told you I would have a surprise for you at the end of the video. Listen, I have a free Google Ads Bing course down below in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I will also be doing a ton of free challenges. I actually have one coming up in about 2 weeks, helping you build your own 100K online business with affiliate marketing. It's going to be a 5-day challenge. Please sign up for that course or for that challenge. I'm live. You'll be able to ask me questions, and I'm going to help you build your bulletproof business from scratch for free. Okay, you don't have to pay money in order to get coaching from me in this case. All right, so you better take advantage of it. Please hit that subscribe button. Download all of the other stuff that I got going on. I got a free webinar for you teaching you how to make 10K a month with email only without showing your face. I just released this program. It is fire. And I also got a 6-figure emailer course. All right, I got so much stuff for y'all down below in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.